guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Tina. Just welcome back. I'm a Nigerian mom based here in Mozambique. So thank you for stopping by on my YouTube channel. Good afternoon. I'm starting this vlog this afternoon, guys. Been doing sleeping, waking since morning. So I just opened the window because I've not been out since morning. So right now I want to quickly make lunch. I'm making spaghetti for lunch. So right now I need to go down to the kitchen too. So guys, this is my, I just have to heat these tomatoes and my fish. I need them to like get done very well before I add my spaghetti. So right now my spaghetti is on the fire, so I decided to come and tidy my living room so that I can quickly go and shower and be refreshed again. So join me guys, just spend this day with me. Let's tidy. No much work today, nothing much today. So guys, this is me coming out. So it's this morning. I don't know if you guys can hear the wave of the water. So guys, I've dished the food out. This is mine and this is for my chairman. So I want it to get cold a little, then I can go and wake him up. It's like I'm going to put on this fan for it to get cold on time. Chairman wakes up now. He loves spaghetti so much and rice. Hello baby Brian. Tell me you were awake. Diane White. How are you? How are you? So, yeah, sit down. You eat, right? See, the spaghetti is ready. Eat spaghetti. So, use spaghetti. No, that's for me. Don't eat that one. Your butter. Put it there. Thank you. Right, wait. Don't let me feed you. Mwah. Thank you. So, thank you. See, yeah. You want to kiss the food? Yeah, drink it. Hi guys, it's my chairman. He's done eating his own, so it's time for me to eat my own. He's done eating the. You don't tell mommy thank you? You say mama thank you? Why? And papa? Why? Why you not telling me thank you? See shy. Hey, Shakara baby. This spaghetti on your head. Did you see this spaghetti? I'm polishing a wall. You guys should not mind that my baby. Don't mind him. Papa, it's time for us to read alphabet, okay? When I'm done eating, you read your alphabet, right? A for apple, B for baby. Yeah, so it's time for me to eat. I'm not giving you. I'm not giving you mine. Come on, take water. So guys, I just had to change. I need to stroll down to my hobby shop, and I need to quickly enter the market to get few things I need to prepare this evening. You remove your sandals. You remove your sandals again. I am gonna make carry you.
So guys, we got to hobby shop, and while I was going, I entered the market. I wanted to get soya beans, and I found out there's no soya bean here. And I wanted to get a few things I need to prepare for my baby, and I needed potato, so I couldn't get most of those things. So guys, we had to enter the supermarket after business to get few things to be eating this evening for dinner. Yeah. So since I didn't get what I needed yesterday, I'll be checking back today. So I need to shop for things I'll be using to prepare stew and soup for the weekend. So guys, thank you so much for always watching my video. Don't forget